How to get a girl's number?
I lost my phone. Can you dial one?
That's a cool trick.
How to ask for a phone number?
Okay. Impress her, flirt with her.
Don't ask me my number now.
We're not going to answer.
Okay, I have clicked some of the candid pictures and I would like to share it on WhatsApp. So can I have your number?
That's smart.
No girls say no to pictures, so that's a tricky thing. Phone number is like passive, we're all digital. Ask for an Instagram handle.
If you ask me for my number, so I can give you.
Okay, on camera flirting. What should a guy wear on his first date?
Well, I feel whatever he feels comfortable in, there's no such dress code or anything. Like even wear normal t-shirt and jeans would do good.
I think he should play safe and go for maybe a classic white shirt with denims. I think that would be good for me.
He should be at his best, at his most comfortable best, I would say.
I think first date he has to like play a little cool. So I'd say a classic combo of blue jeans, white t-shirt, maybe a plaid shirt on top works wonders every time.
Hey, what is happening, beautiful people? As you all know that recently we have surpassed the mark of 100,000 subscribers. So I would like to take this beautiful opportunity on behalf of everyone here at QRT and say big thanks to each one of you. So we thought of making a very special episode just for you guys. This is one of our finest episodes we have produced so far. This show is brought to you in part by Partyto, which is one of the most coolest apps out there. You guys should definitely download this app on your phones right now and meet new friends and get free deals, free drinks, free beverages, free snacks, and yeah, you guys can also date new people. So guys, like every time, sit back, relax and enjoy this video. Do you like to make new friends?
That's a difficult one.
I'm a little skeptical on that thought. Yes, I am.
Yeah, of course, why not?
Okay. Do you like to meet new people?
Yeah, in my profession, I normally meet people every day.
Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, who doesn't?
Yes, of course. Who doesn't?
Okay. Do you like to meet new people and
Yes.
I'm really not open to new people, but then yeah, there are certain vibes that I get from people. So if something clicks me, then yeah, maybe I can. Yeah, maybe.
I love to make new friends, but I am committed.
Of course, because these guys also have like, in some of the events or something, we actually are not friends. We met at some event and then eventually we became friends. That's how.
Do you like to make new friends?
Yeah, I love to. Yeah. Of course, everyone does in my college.
How do you usually meet new people?
Facebook, social network, then meetings and stuff.
I'm a very people's person, yes.
I know a lot of people, but then when it comes to friends, it's like very limited. My circle is very limited like that.
Just go and say hi to them. Start interacting.
For me, I think somebody I'm talking to, and if I feel like I hit a common note as to interest or something, I think I bond over that.
How should a guy approach a girl and get her phone number?
See, everything is not about the number. You should be that confident that the girl would like you to give the number rather than you just being, you want to do friendship between time. Don't do that. Maybe something related to work. Rather than most of the guys do that nowadays. I personally would give my email ID. No, I can give my number. I won't save his number. No, I won't save his number. No. So that's up to me.
Just be confident. Just be confident and ask for it.
Take it smooth. It's not always the fact that if you don't take the number, things will end. Sooner or later, she should be happy with the fact that she's giving it to you.
I think just go make a nice conversations. I think in India, I personally appreciate when a guy comes and talks because not everybody does it.
Yeah.
I think you should start with a really good conversation. Don't directly go for numbers because I've found people who directly come up in a very cheesy way, sending you tissue papers and cards and asking for can I have your number. So it's better to start with a conversation wherein you can think you can link with that girl. And yeah, probably if the girl likes, if I like that guy, I wouldn't mind sharing the number.
He should be having beard. He should be 6 something height, and obviously build should be really good. So I was just sitting in a CCD, and then it's been 3 years back. So there's a guy who came. Oh my God, I lost. My parents is not feeling well. My mom is after me, and I lost my phone. Can you just dial? And this is the number. It's like okay, I'll do it. And then like later I got it was strict. And later I was getting. Yeah, he texts me. Hi, do you remember me from CCD?
He's a really genuine person and he's good at talking. I'm sure any girl would give her number to him.
So he has to be good looking. Yeah. He has to take the risk.
Criteria.
Yes, and he has to take the risk, you know. Come out, talk. Don't be like, oh, can I have your number?
If he's nice, of course, the girl would be, I mean, she will be ready to give the number.
Like how? Nice.
I mean, if he seems like a nice guy, you know.
Sense of humor, always.
Big. Yes.
First meet, if you're asking for the number, I'm sorry. Oh, wait, please.
Get in touch with my best friend.
Who is your best friend? Okay. Really?
You can't just randomly walk up to someone and go, hey, can I get your number? It's like a complete creep behavior.
He has to be well spoken. Yeah. He has to be decent looking. And he needs to be better than me at conversations because I don't know how to do it. So, no, I'm not. I suck at it.
Present scenario, a guy comes up to you and asks for your number. Any cool tips and advice you can give?
I feel that he should be straight and blunt. Yeah, do not try to just bang on the girl, no? Like, kind of make some kind of a genuine conversation. You should not, it should not seem to the girl that you're just trying to, exactly.
Just for the sake of getting a
Exactly, and
number.
just jumping on her all of a sudden and also.
See, when people come to me and they're like, you know, oh, you're a photographer, can I have your number? I might need you for some work. So, anyways, I had to give up my number. So, it's not like a private thing anymore for me.
According to you, what should a guy wear on his first date?
It should be really casual. I would prefer a guy wearing jeans.
Please have nice shoes, for sure. Yeah. Wear a nice watch. Iron your clothes.
Formals.
I think whatever he's comfortable with. Don't overdo it. Just be casual, whatever you generally wear. Don't be like, oh, I'm so prepared. Don't do that.
No. For me, it is very important to have a good dressing sense because I actually judge on that basis.
I would prefer a guy wearing either loafers or slippers, the casual slippers.
He can look good in shorts if he can carry them well, and he can look good in a
carry
suit.
or whatever he's wearing. So it's more about carrying yourself well rather than dressing up in a particular type of clothing.
Something really casual,
Like what?
like what you're wearing, maybe.
I think first date he has to like play a little cool. So I'd say a classic combo of blue jeans, white t-shirt, maybe a plaid shirt on top works wonders every time.
Should a guy?
on his personality. Yeah, I mean, I would personally like it if a guy dresses up and wears something like a shirt and a trouser
Pink color
and a belt.
pink color shirt?
He should be able to carry it. I mean, I don't mind. He should be able to carry it.
Jeans and look nice. Black shirt, and I like black personally.
Jeans and shirt.
For me, I think it has to be formals.
Where we are going basically. Suppose we are going to a cafe, a house or something like that. So I would prefer to have like in a nice t-shirt and a denim with good shoes basically and a nice hairstyle, good perfume. Yes.
Time to make new friends. So did you download the Party-Dough app yet? You guys can find the links in the description box down below. Also check out some of the best QRT videos by clicking right here. If you have enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. To get all our fresh videos first on YouTube, click the subscribe button right here. And follow us on our Instagram page to see all the behind the scene pictures and videos of the shoot. I'll see you guys next Tuesday 4 p.m. with a brand new exciting episode. See you guys. Goodbye. This guy says, I am a boy and I am in love with a beautiful gay. She looks like a girl, but she doesn't have that.
It helps you break the bed. तन की शक्ति बन की शक्ति कौन बेटा?
Takat.
More energy, I guess.
Energy, like a pre